Welcome to our review of the highly anticipated 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429. With a sleek modern design that pays homage to its iconic predecessor, the Boss 429 is sure to turn heads on the road. Classic Recreations will debut the new Boss 429 at the Center Force Clutches booth during SEMA. Unlike the originals, this model will not feature the motorsport-derived 7.0-liter V8. Instead, it will be powered by a fuel-injected 8.4-liter V8 producing 815 horsepower, 608 kilowatts, paired with a Center Force DY80 clutch and flywheel. Finding an authentic Ford Mustang Boss 429 can be challenging due to its limited production run in 1969 and 1970. However, Classic Recreations is making it easier to acquire one with the launch of the first officially licensed Boss 429 continuation cars at this year's SEMA show. The original Boss 429 was created to help Ford homologate its 429 cubic inch, 7.0-liter V8 for NASCAR. At that time, regulations required manufacturers to sell at least 500 engines to customers before using them in competition. The engine was so large that Ford had to modify Mustangs on the assembly line to fit it. Officially, the V8 was rated at 375 horsepower, 280 kilowatts, but this was reportedly much lower than its actual output. The Boss 429 is one of the coolest and rarest Mustangs ever produced, but they have gotten so valuable that most owners won't drive them, said company owner Jason Engel. This offers people the chance to own an incredibly rare car that they can actually drive, and with modern chassis and engine tech, these cars will be faster and easier to drive than the originals. Starting at $31,000, the current Ford Mustang is available as a fastback coupe or convertible with an EcoBoost or 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, plus GT and Dark Horse models. Soon, there will also be an $325,000 800-horsepower Mustang GTD acting as a supercar flagship. But there's no sign of Shelby models, let alone classic Boss 302 or 429 ideas. Now, however, there is a renewed passion for the original 1969 Boss 429 Ford Mustang high-performance variant, reimagined as a sleek shooting brake. So if you're in the market for a high-performance vehicle that doesn't compromise on style, the Boss 429 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our review. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates.